Young Caring for Our Young is our 501c3 nonprofit organization. What we try to do is we try to care for the youth in our community. They are our future, and so by caring for them, we are providing for our future. We do it in 4 main areas. First, by feeding hungry kids. We do a lot of pantry packs, which are these packs that sit in about a gallon bag, and they go in principals' closets. So when a principal sees a kid coming to school hungry on Monday, they know that they haven't eaten since Friday. And so the principal can go into their pantry, grab one of those packets, slide it in the kid's backpack on Friday so that they have food from Friday until Monday. So it's helping feed those kids that need food over the weekend. We do about 25,000 of those a year. The next is called, we feed kids, clothe kids, which is what's called our Kind Fund. It's an app that's on the phone, Uber Eats, but for a child in need. So if a teacher sees a kid that needs clothing because they keep coming to school in the same clothes over and over and over, they can submit for that child. A volunteer then raises their hand. They go out and shop for the kid, and we give them $150 to do it. Then they give it to the school give it to the teacher give it to the child. So far, we've served just over 6,200 kids, over $1 million given through that program in 16 different school districts. And we have a lot of different partners that have helped fund that and create that. The next one is helping our educators, right? So by supporting our educators, we're supporting children. And so we do a lot of car giveaways where we'll actually, a top educator within a school district, they'll receive a car to drive for a year, and it includes insurance and gas. And it's just saying that we appreciate our educators and what they do to help our youth succeed. The fourth pillar is teen homelessness. Unfortunately, there's a lot of teens that actually don't have a home. They sleep on people's couches, they sleep in cars, and so we try to support those kids to make sure that they have resources that they can use in order to succeed.